Hello everyone, this is Scott Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I'm going to talk about Nasiol Personal Surface Protection, N-A-S-I-O-L. Nasiol, a registered trademark of protective nano-coating materials in Turkey and Europe. So, I was given the opportunity by the sole distributor in Malaysia to conduct product reviews for the following items. PerShine, anti-scratch nano-coating for valuables. PerWear, nano fabric protector against liquid and stains. PerShoe, nano footwear protector against liquid and stains. Now, let's start with PerShoes. This is Nasiol PerShoes, nano footwear protector against liquid and stains. Let's see what is inside. Let me explain it again. What is PerShoe? A water-based footwear protection spray that adds liquid-repelling properties to the surfaces it is applied to. Not only is able to prevent liquids, oils, mud and dirt from being absorbed, but it also ensures easy cleaning thanks to its protective layer. When I was doing studying and research on this Nasiol PerShoe, I asked myself, can this product be applied to all types of shoes? And the answer is no. Nasiol PerShoes can only be applied on shoes and boots made of the following materials: canvas, suede, and Nubuck. But I guess that is more than good enough. Anyway, let me get my shoes ready. Now that I have both sides of the shoes together, on my left, the original, and on my right, after applying Nasiol PerShoes. This was a surface that was applied with Nasiol PerShoes, and I'm going to do a little bit of light sanding using sandpaper with a grit size of 1000. Let us see what happened. Whoa, it still works. Obviously, there is difference before and after applying Nasiol PerShoes. The applied surface became water or liquid repellent, definitely easy for cleaning, especially for those of you who are always lazy in cleaning up your shoes. Personally, I'm giving it 3.5 out of 5 stars due to the following reasons. Number 1, limitations on the materials. You can only apply PerShoes on canvas, suede, and also Nubuck. Number 2, drying time. Maybe because it is water-based, so you have to leave it for drying for at least few hours. Number 3, spraying is definitely easy, but from my experience, I tend to overspray it or miss out a few details. Finally, for those of you who had experience using Nasiol PerShoes, I always looking forward for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.